Step 1. Inventory. Swab. Test tube and nozzle. Solution. Strip. Step 2. Add solution to test tube. Step 3. Insert swab 1/2 inch into nose and rotate for 5 seconds. Step 4. Press nostril with finger to trap swab and rotate for 5 seconds. Step 5. Insert swab into test tube and swirl around to mix well. Step 6. Squeeze the swab 10 to 15 times by compressing the walls of the tube against the swab. Step 7. Let swab rest in solution for 2 minutes. Step 8. Squeeze tube when removing swab to release as much liquid as possible. Step 9. Attach nozzle and invert tube to add 3 drops to test strip. Step 10. Wait for 1 or 2 colored lines to appear. Read results at 15 minutes. Success. Test results ready.